Hi and welcome to a new video. Have you been experiencing low call volume on your device, making it difficult to hear the other person on the end of the line? In this video, I will show you how to adjust the call volume on your iPhone. Let's go. First off, get the call volume up as high as possible. Since the call volume is independent from your iPhone's general audio settings, you must manually press the volume up button during a call to make it louder. In addition, switching your call to speaker mode is also recommended. This will help you determine whether the volume level is simply the problem or the device speaker itself. You can also try to force restart your device. This approach is very simple, but it frequently fixes any minor software glitches on your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then, press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. If you're using an older iPhone model, you can refer at the tag in the top right corner or find the link to the Apple support page in the description below to know how to force restart your device properly. If you have been using your iPhone for a while now, the device normally accumulates dirt or dust, especially if your iPhone doesn't have any kind of cover protector. Thus, it's possible that the dirt may be obstructing your iPhone's audio output. You can either use a cleaning kit specifically designed for the iPhone's earpiece or a dry and clean toothbrush depending on what you have on hand. In some cases, your phone call may be routed to another audio device such as Bluetooth or car speaker, resulting to hearing no sound from your device at all. To prevent this, open Settings, go to Accessibility, choose Touch, and then make sure that the Call Audio Routing configuration is set to Automatic. Sadly, if none of these solutions resolve the call audio problem on your iPhone, it probably is a hardware malfunction. Perhaps you may have dropped your iPhone or encountered any situation that could have resulted in physical damage to your device. For hardware-related issues, the best solution is to contact Apple support so that they can diagnose what went wrong with your device. If your iPhone is still covered under warranty, Apple will repair it for free. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.